You niggas on the party, grinding and sharing and shit. This your boy, yo, got it. Yeah, get your motherfucking weight up, son. Real hustlers don't need no full-time real, full-time beat, boy, I get it high, nigga. I'm full-time grind, so I full-time shine. Then I'm full-time drought with a fully loaded nine. I'm a full-time hustler.
What had just happened, bro? We gotta start over. It's freaking out on me, bro. It's freaking out on me.
You niggas on the party, grinding and sharing and shit. This your boy, yo, got it. Yeah, get your motherfucking weight up, son. Real hustlers don't need no sleeves. I'm a full-time hustler, I'm full-time real. A full-time beat, boy, I get it high, live. A full-time grind, so I full-time shine. Then I'm full-time drought with a fully loaded nine. I'm a full-time hustler, I'm full-time real. I'm full-time beat, boy, I get it how I live. I'm full-time grind, I'm full-time shine. I stay fully strapped at all times. I'm a full-time hustler, I'm full-time real. A full-time beat, boy, I get it high, live. A full-time grind, so I full-time shine. Then I'm full-time drought with a fully loaded nine. I'm starting on my day with a tank full of gas, a clip full of hollows, a pocket full of cash, a wrist full of brain, full of chest, full of ice, and a bitch in a villa with a trunk full of white. I was ran behind 10 getting bent at the light. Think the laws make a left, so you know I bust a right. That's the D-boy, detour, switching up my route, checking resource, invoice, bird in the drought. Got a phone full of missed calls, people full of cold. One ain't behind the number, mean they wanna have a whole one. Fully loaded, most bird pump, that'll bang you. Full-time thuggin', I'm a full-time gangster. I'm a full-time hustler.
Gangsta rap mornings. With a fully loaded nine.
Switching lanes, rims spinning, swerving. Full time on the grind, in the no serving. Keisha and Tamika, Hashanika and Merlin were full time freaks, but were part time virgins. You were so blind, you couldn't read between the lines. See your baby mama slash right with part time man. I didn't really care about a part time her or a part time feelings and chilling with y'all chilling. I'm a full time pimp, you a part time spout. I just burn a brain, get them things, throw them in a house. I was out the frame, moving, came running in and out. When them people came, know the game, shut your fucking mouth. I'm a full-time hustler, I'm full-time real. A full-time beat, boy, I get it high, live. A full-time grind, so I full-time shine. Then I'm full-time drought with a fully loaded nine. I'm a full-time hustler, I'm full-time real. A full-time beat, boy, I get it how I live. I'm full-time grind, I'm full-time shine. I stay fully strapped at all times. You a part-time soldier, running in a battlefield, talking loud, saying nothing. That's how you got your homies killed. Who a grown man with a part-time plan? So you walking round, head down, looking for a man. I'm a part-time rapper, full-time trapper. Got my own bricks and shit and on my own master. Done this shit myself so I can get it done faster. Promise to myself that I won't fucking with you actors. Full-time boss, you a part-time CEO from Never Land, paying you some middleman. Yeah, yo, got the money and the power. You part-time snitching, you a full-time coward. I'm a full-time hustler, I'm full-time real. A full-time beat, boy, I get it high, live. A full-time grind, so I full-time shine. Then I'm full-time drought with a fully loaded nine. I'm a full-time hustler, I'm full-time real. A full-time beat, boy, I get it how I live.
Yeah. Fully fully strapped at all times. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. It's a bit different to this music. Mo Calamity Mix on Spotify. That's my jam. Good morning. Good morning. Welcome to Lunar Beats Crypto. I don't know if you can still hear that music. Let's see. Welcome to Lunar Beats Crypto, where we ride the waves of the crypto market. I am David, and today is Thursday, May 23rd, 2024, and Bitcoin has had a couple of has been a couple of down days after the big breakout on Monday. So we're on the daily chart here, and yeah, so we're just gonna take a look here. We do have a red dot printing, but if we can get some continuation today, a bounce off of this trend line, then I think yeah, get a nice bounce off of that trend line, then that red dot might turn off. It might not print. It might not print if the price can keep going. But anyways, how are you guys doing this morning? Sorry I missed yesterday. I woke up about an hour after my first alarm goes off. So I did not have time to sit down and do a stream before I had to get ready for work. Work is the priority over this, but yeah, it is what it is. I'm back today though, so we can try to make some moves. Now, let's see. Let's go ahead and say what's up to the chat. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, Justin Eubanks. Good morning, Blackie Chan. Let's see. Blackie Chan says ETH pushed higher. Should have taken the long last night. Let's see. Good morning, L Jones, aka Not Lethal, aka Pink Hand. Always throwing the pink hand in the chat. Muy bien, y tú? I'm doing well, and you? Let's see. I think that's it. That's commented. So I'm trying to get my voice back. Still not 100% yet. You sounded fine yesterday when you were arguing with me. Blackie Chan thinks that the president can be a dictator. I mean, he might as well, right? Might as well. So yeah, just throwing up a whole bunch of lines on here. So right now, I just want to point out that Bitcoin's starting to go a little bit vertical here. So looking for is, I think we could be putting in a 5-wave structure here. So I'm thinking I'm definitely starting to lean more bullish than I have been recently. Just because we are starting to get some nice big impulses in here. So, well, I think this would be 3, and then this new high. Yeah, I think we could be seeing the signs of the next leg to the upside. Oh, good morning, C90. C90, good morning. You're yawning, I guess. Yeah. Let's see. But yeah, so I'm looking for the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the upside, to wrap up this correction here. And that would just be like the first wave, and then this is gonna end up being the fifth wave. Let me check. Oh, I still have music going in the background. I can hear it in my headphones. You gangster, right?
Yeah, you put on your gangster image, nigga, but you know you ain't gangster. You can fool yourself, nigga, but the facts gon' still remain.
So many bad Bad words. Stop with the bad words. You gangster, right? You gangster, right? You gangster, right? That's what that song says over and over and over again. You gangster, right? I love Yo Gotti. Uh, I decided I'm gonna starting off with some Gangster Memphis rap every morning, so you guys can get part of the culture. Mm. Maybe do some Elvis one day. I don't know. Let's see. But yeah. So I'm looking for this correction to wrap up in here. Because more macro. I'm looking at 1, 2, 3. This basically I'm looking for a wrap up of wave 3, and then 4, and then 5. Whoa! What just happened? What the heck? That was weird. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now this is the big picture. So this is going to be your blow off top all time high type deal. But what I'm really looking for is for this to wrap up. Let me go to my Bitstamp chart. Sorry, I'm a little slow this morning. I'm a little slow a lot of mornings in period. Period. I don't want my watch list. Y'all are confusing me. Bitstamp. I think I already have everything built out on this one. Yeah. Close enough. So I had been following this, and then I thought that I had deleted it because I thought I had done it on Coinbase, but apparently I forgot that I did it on Bitstamp. So this is what happens when you do too many charts, I guess. I do a lot of charts. So yeah, I just missed this whole thing. That's cool. So we're at the top of that channel. We got sucked back in. I do hope to see some continuation though. So because I don't know, I'm ready for this correction to be wrapped up. But I can see us go, and I can see it not. I can see this happen. I can still see this happening. I don't want it to. I'd rather us just go ahead and continue higher, but I can still see the pullback because we are getting rejected at resistance. But let's go down to the 4-hour. Money flow is getting really heavy in the green on the 4-hour. We're doing a bullish back test of a downwards trend. So if we can get some continuation, some follow through today, I think that we are starting the next leg to the upside that will ultimately end up over 100K, and then we'll get a nice fat correction back down probably to this trend line, if not just the highs at 74K. Just from 100K, well, that's obvious. That's 26%. That's a 26% drop. A nice 30% drop. It's probably more in the cards. Maybe 25 to 30%, somewhere in there. So if we just go from the top here, pull this across, do about a 27.5%. I know it's just completely arbitrary, but that's $102,000, and I could see it. Let's see. Let's do a measured move of this whole range here. Measured move of the range. I'm going to include the low. There we go. And then I'm going to clone this. And I'm going to put this up here. There we go. This gets us to 98K. So I could definitely see that happen. Yeah, it's gonna be this next move up is gonna be it's gonna be breaking us into that 90 to 100K range, I believe. Uh, that's what I believe. I believe we could be heading that way, but we've got to get out of this range first. We're still stuck in this freaking range, so until we get out of it, that's with. But a nice break of the range with conviction, then a pullback and a back test and a hold of the highs. That is what we want to see. We want to see that. That's what we want to see. That would tell me, okay, we're more than likely not going to come back down, and we're just going. This is the next leg up. This is the next leg up that we've started. So, given the right circumstances, the power is open for them to grab. Yeah, I know. Don't lie. When no one else is around, you rapping every single word out loud with the LBC baby. What's up, Chris Klein? Good morning from the Otter Gang. What's up? What's up, Chris Klein? My guy. Yeah. Hold on. What? Don't lie. When no one else is around, you rapping every single word. Yeah. Except I don't care if anybody's around or not. But if I'm on YouTube, it's a little different. Mm. Oh man. All right, let's go ahead and let's go looking a little deeper here. See what we're looking at for today, possibly. I'm hoping for continuation. We'll just have to wait and see. I did enter a swing long last night on Bitcoin of on a 5x. So it's probably, I know, entering along at resistance, fine. But it's just based off of this, man. I just see some bullishness, and we were down here, we were testing support. So I mean, if it breaks down, I mean, it's fine. It's fine. I don't see it going too far down. I don't see it going 20% down. Maybe 8%, right? So, I mean, to me, that's fine. And what I was trying to do last night is also I was trying to find something to hedge with. So, if I'm entering a risky, or a little more risky trade, as far as like entering at a resistance, right? The more macro resistance, though, like it could still pump up today and then roll over, right? But we do have unemployment claims today at 8:30, so keep that in mind. So I would expect some movement off of that. So that's kind of what I was thinking. Also, I was like, man, we're back testing resistance for support. We've got unemployment claims coming out tomorrow. We've been putting in these bullish impulses like crazy. We did get some CVD absorption down in here. So if I go ahead and throw up the CVD absorption, which is one reason why I don't see us coming back down here, and I'll show you why. CVD, which is just your cumulative volume delta, but basically it's going to show us. All right, this is not what I wanted. It's going to show us the buyers and sellers in the market. One sec. Let me see. CVD. Just give me a line. What is this? I might like this, though. I'm going to have to check this one out later. That one looks pretty cool. Why? Where is just a standard CVD? Why are you doing candles? I don't want candles. Can I change it? Where's the one that I had last night? CVD. I don't want the aggregated. I just want CVD. Thank you. This isn't even the right one either. My God. 100K tomorrow? What? 100K today? What? I should put that in the title. 100K today. Whoa. And put a face on it like, oh my God. Coin glass. Blacky Chan, did you Discord friend me? Uh-oh. Why does this keep turn up, bro? Go away. Boop, 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 boop. Super charts, coin glass. $100K today. All right, funding rates, cumulative volume delta. There we go. Get rid of this one. All right. What am I on? Oh, let's back this up a little bit. I want to have to go to the 4 hour. Aggregated, open rates. Oh my gosh, look at this open interest. This is scary. Super sketch. But anyway, zoom in. There we go. All right, so where is the spot where it started? Maybe I do have to go down to a smaller time frame. But we can see. Why am I not seeing it today? Am I crazy? I mean, yeah, but still. I'm not that crazy. Oh, I am crazy. Why did you go straight to ETH? My God. Snap. All right. Now, there we go. So we can see that on the cumulative volume delta that we had strong sells coming in right here, okay? We had strong sells coming in right here. However, I mean, even our funding flipped negative. However, price was moving to the upside at the same time. So that tells us that we were seeing some seller absorption in here. So we have more sell orders than buy orders, but the buy orders were bigger. So they were absorbing the sells. And that's why you get this divergence. That's a CVD divergence. So you get this divergence in here. And then next thing you know, you get a pop up to the upside. Okay. So, and then you see these sells right here, and then you're moving, price is still moving to the upside. So your sellers are getting absorbed. Your sell orders are getting absorbed. So it's just saying that, someone is stepping in, or some entity, some institution, something is stepping in these areas and just buying. Something is just buying. See, and right now, look how hard it's selling right now. Okay, if it starts pushing up and curling up again, then these sells are just getting absorbed. And it's just pushing higher and higher. And we could see, so the open interest on this that's pushing higher could actually be shorts piling in. And if that's the case, then we're definitely going to get a big push to the upside to help us break the highs. So we're getting a little bit of movement now, so that's cool. That's good. Good morning, all set. Good morning. What's going on? Alright. You crazy, crazy people. I swear. I love you guys. But you're crazy. Crazy, crazy. Oh, excuse me. So yesterday, let's go over to a trade chart, as I like to call it. It's one of my trade charts. If it's a trade chart, it's a clean chart. Sometimes. Get rid of any lines. All right. So yesterday, let's go to here. Let's go to the day prior first, actually. Here. All right. So Tuesday, we took a short trade, and I just wanted to go over that to show you why I did what I did. So Tuesday, is this Tuesday? Yeah. Tuesday, I took a short. Not only did we have the blood diamonds here, but I took the short at New York. So we were taking out highs, and then we were pulling down into New York. And I was just waiting for the first fair value gap to be created, and then I was going to take a trade. I want to say it was it this one? No, it was higher. Maybe it was. I want to say it was this one. No, because it's the first fair value gap created after 10. I wish I could remember my trade. I wish I had it up here. Dang it. I nailed that trade too. Why am I blanking right now? Nailed it. Absolutely nailed it. Did I already? No, I didn't talk about this because I wasn't here yesterday. Oh, good morning. Good morning. Oh my God. Just don't go away. Stop. I don't care. Sorry, I'm talking to Discord over here. It's popping up all kinds of stuff. Let me go to here. Don't miss this gold, says not lethal. Is this the one? No. No, that is the one. There we go. Right here. Right now. Did I even have the time based on here? Alright, so let's click on this. Alright, so breakdown from the consolidation range. Early that morning I said I would expect if it was to break to the upside, break the upwards line and then come back down, then I would expect a move down. And if it broke the bottom line first, then I would expect to move up. Because that's just how I said, I love these right here because that's how these like to play. They like to break up and then go back the other way or break down and go to the upside. So that's what I was basically waiting on there. And then we have this fair value gap right here, which if I come over here is going to be, yeah, this one. This fair value gap right here. So that's why I entered right here. Boop. All right, let's see. We got this line across here. So the rules are, which one do we break a high or a low or both in the overnight sessions? If the answer is yes, then it's which one. If it's both, then we just go off of the first fair value gap created after market open, and then there we go. and that was the first one created after market open. And first bearish one, because we were favoring the bears. We were favoring the shorts. There we go. Thank you. And then I also saw this bounce off of here. This closed below this 200 MA, a pull back into this fair value gap. And actually, I might have entered on these candles, and it just came back into it, but then continued. I think I actually entered on these candles here, if I remember correctly. I think I entered on these candles, and it just came back, but it didn't take me out because we set the stop just above the start of the candle of the fair value gap. So it's a 3 candle sequence on the fair value gaps. So you get one, whoops, I thought I did a drawing tool. You get 1, 2, 3 to the upside. So if it's a bullish fair value gap like this, then my stop is going to be just below the first candle. And then if it's a down move, then my stop is going to be just above the top candle of the fair value gap. So stop goes here, entry at the fair value gap, or here. And then you can do a either 2 to 1 or a 3 to 1 or a point of interest. The one that plays out the most is a 2 to 1. If you do anything else, it's a little more risky and you need to manage your trade like yesterday. So I go say all that because I got to go through yesterday. Yesterday I saw I took a long that I should have gotten out sooner in, but I still made profit on it because we broke a high. We broke this Asia high over here, so I just went ahead and took 50% out of the trade. I really should have moved my stop loss a little higher, but I wasn't able to watch the trade because I was at work, so it is what it is. I mean, can't really knock profit. Profit is profit. So, but yeah, so 10 o'clock, we get a fair value gap created here. I think it was this one. I'm pretty sure. Let's go back over here. All right. Oh, I need to look at these, see if they did any. I think we probably did this one. Let's see. Right here. Big up, down. Yeah, that one. Big up, down. This fair value gap here. Now, it might not have played on, what is this, Binance? This is Binance chart. I usually use Femex. So, the Femex trade, the Femex one came down to this fair value gap, but it looks like Binance didn't. So that's interesting. I wonder why that is. That's kind of sketch. It's also why I prefer Femex. Femex, come on. But I also just started Blowfin, so we'll see how that goes. See, this one dipped down into the fair value gap, and I actually got my order got tagged at 69,963, and it came down to 69,949. So it was like $14. So basically sniped that entry, and then I threw up the long here right at that fair value gap entry. Placed my stop right below that first candle. Whoa. See, this is why I hate trading at work, because technically this is the first candle of the fair value gap. So I could have had my stop loss a little higher, but it doesn't matter because it didn't come back and take me out anyway. But then I had my take profit up here at this high over here. Let me drag this across. There's also this fair value gap over here, so that's why I have this alert here. But yeah, so basically it was like a 1-point-something% trade, 1.2% trade. Either way, it didn't play out 100%. So, but once we broke this Asia high over here. I went ahead and took 50% out of the trade, came up, stalled. Once we had this stall out right here and this big move down right here, and we take out 50% of the previous candle and actually close pretty low, and then get another indecision candle. It kind of was just saying, all right, it might be time to get out. Bless me. Which, I had moved my stop loss to 70,000 just to take care of fees. So I took off 50%, and then I also moved my stop loss to oh crap, it's 620. To take care of the fees. That way I didn't lose any more money when the trade exited. So yeah, still ended up in profit. So that's all that really matters at the end, and that's why you manage your trades, right? You got to manage your trades so that you can make yourself more profitable and maintain your capital. That's the biggest thing, is maintaining your capital. I saw a trader say he had like an 87% win rate with with this strategy. It's like, how? That is insane. Well, the thing is if once this trade, so you enter a trade, let's say you enter down here at 0, price moves up, comes down, or maybe you enter here at 2. Once price comes up and breaks this high here, what he would do is, as soon as that happens, is first he has a fixed 2-to-1. First he has a fixed 2-to-1. And then once the price breaks this high to the left, just moves the stop loss to break even. So, not losing money. So it's like you didn't even take a trade if you get stopped out. Outside of, I guess, fees. But hey. Hola, French toaster. Works, pays the bills, but keeps me from being the trader I'd like to be. 100%. Hola, I'm late. Frenchy. Alright, quick $20 in me pocket. Good morning, LBC and friends. Why it work? Quick $20. How'd you get that quick $20? Did you play off of my money? Huh? I'm so confused. So yeah, being able to manage your trades, Bitcoin is pumping, is key. Is key. Let's see. I got a Robinhood account last night just so I could see the price of Nvidia, because someone posted some crazy chart last night on Twitter, and I was like, what the heck? And I couldn't see the chart anywhere because it was like overnight or something. I didn't know Nvidia was traded 24 hours. Did you know that? I didn't know that until I got Robinhood, so I wanted to see the price. And when I looked at the price, it was over $1,000. It's at, I want to say it's a new all-time high. Yeah, my Bitcoin trade is up, so that's cool. Not by much. Like I said, it was only a 5x, but I am holding this one. I'm expecting to hold this one to where I make about 75% over the next week or so. So, I mean, I'll take 75% trade any day of the week. Excuse me. You knew that. What'd you know? All right. Anyways, I really got to get going, guys. I got to get ready for work. Thank you guys for joining me. I hope you took something from this from the stream today. Something good. Just don't forget, in 1 hour and 7 minutes, we have unemployment claims. So if you are trading, use a stop loss. Could be positive. We'll just have to wait and see. Right now, we are setting highs or breaking highs. These previous session highs, so that kind of gives me a little bit of caution on longs. We do have some relatively equal lows right here. Relatively equal lows and highs love to get taken out. So we'll have to watch this one for sure. But Bitcoin's going right now. We are above all the EMAs. This is the 5 minute too, so let's go to 15. All right, so so we've broken above the EMAs and the VWAP. The VWAP closed on it, pushed right off of it. Yeah, this low did take out this one, so it might not be necessary to come back down for this. But yeah, I'll just be waiting for 10 o'clock, and then we'll go from there. I don't know why I'm keeping this on here. Yep. We have a fair value gap right here. It's not a good one because it's green, red, green, white, green, blue, white, whatever. Green, white, green, red, green. There we go. It's not 3 consecutive of the same candles, so we should push through it. Come on. Push through it. Push through it. I don't have time to sit here and watch this. But yeah, I'll keep you guys updated as best as possible. Yeah, thank you all for joining me. Don't forget to hit that like button on your way out. I really appreciate you. I appreciate all of your kind words that I have been receiving recently. It means everything to me. I'm really, yeah, it's I don't know. It's nice to be recognized for the work that you put in, you know? But yeah. Love you guys. I hope you all have a radical Thursday. See you in the chats. Love you guys. Peace out.